All you're gonna need for this paper bell is square piece of paper. I'm using 50 by 15 centimeters, and let's start with folding it. First we will fold it in half. Press it down and open it and fold it again in half on this line. Now we'll bring this corner of the paper into the center. And do the same with top left corner. Now we'll turn our paper over and we'll fold a centimeter of the paper from the bottom line upwards. Like this. Now we'll again turn our paper around and fold this upper half of the paper onto already existing middle line. So just flip it over like this. Now we'll bring this corner of the paper inwards so that we will align this bottom line of the paper with this diagonal line. So bring it inwards and align those bottom. So on one side and on the other side, so just bring this corner of the paper onto this corner right here. Like this. And just press it down. Like so. Now all you need to do is bring these corners of the paper a little bit inwards. So wherever you want, just bring it on one side. And now try to do the exact same thing on the other side, so that they would be symmetric. This. And now once we turn it around, we've made simple paper bell.